But I assume everybody have seen the show Shark Tank, correct? So we all understand the concept where we have individuals that come in with their product, and they're going to present said product to the investor and try to pitch to make sure the investors will try to buy their product. So that's what they're going to be doing today. For those who don't know, now you know.
We have 6 sharks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just so everybody knows who you are, well, let me first talk to Mike. Okay, so just so everybody knows who you are, let's go one by one. Just say your name, where you from, where you work at. All right?
Okay, hi, I'm Jacob. I study at UCLA, and I'm interning at Qualcomm in the audio algorithms group. Hi, I'm Ganapati money as in money. I'm also an intern at Qualcomm. I work in machine learning applications with computers.
My name is Natalie. I'm studying computer science and business at the University of Southern California. At Qualcomm, I'm on the Android core team.
Hi, I'm David. We're all interning at Qualcomm. But I'm doing software architecture for the self-driving car team. And I go to Harvey Mudd.
Yeah. So I'm Toby. I'm with the software development for DSP, and I go to Texas A&M University.
Awesome. So instructions for the sharks are, you have your boards there, you have 6 groups. We are going to give a aggregate score between 1 and 5 for each group. All right? Based on the sales pitch, based on just the content of the idea, and then based off of teamwork if people like they're working well together. All right? And so we'll keep it simple, just score from 1 to 5, and then at the end we'll tally them up. So this is group 1, and that is pack and go. Correct? All right, so there you go.
Hi.
Hi, my name is Diana Chilling.
My name is Matthew Latimer.
I'm Annalyn Grassley.
And we are Pack and Go. And our project name is The Suitcase. And yeah.
The suitcase is a suitcase that can automatically pack itself. To do this, there is a robot that comes out of a pouch. It will scan your closet, and then it will soon grab the clothes and put it in the suitcase. It will make sure that it will still be neatly folded.
So our small suitcases are around $830, and they're like a cube, so they can fit your clothes into the suitcase. And medium suitcases are around $950. Our large suitcases are $835, and to get them all together, it's $1,126.
The people we need to hire for our product would be engineers and graphic designers. We can hire these people from Harvey Mudd College because this is one of the top colleges in the country for these careers.
For our research and development, we need electrical engineer specifically, so like you could like program the robot to do like what you tell it to do, because there's gonna be an app on your phone. It's gonna take only 3 minutes for you to like whatchamacallit. So it's gonna take 3 minutes for you to like program and stuff for your app, and tell it like how many clothes like you want to pack, like 3 days or like whatever. It'll take like that many sets of clothes. And graphic designer to like for design like the suitcase that you want it to look like.
It takes about 3 minutes to set up. There should be a little bar where you type in
a round of sharp questions. And then we'll do some audience questions, okay? All right, so we'll start on that side. All right, we'll start on this side.
Looks good.
Yeah, it looks good, right? So what happens if I'm out of town, right? And like I'm coming back and now I have a flight somewhere else and I need to pack something real quick and get going, right? How do you solve the problem of me needing to quickly and automatically get all my clothes and get them going? Like, are there apps scanning the closet for me? Like how do I know? Like, how do I know it's definitely gonna get, you know, the blue shirt, the red shirt, and some jeans that aren't wrinkled?
Because it'll scan your closet and it'll also give you a notification on your phone if there's any wrinkled clothes that you need to iron, clean, or stuff like that, like anything that you need and you can buy at your store if you're still out and driving. But other than that, it'll pack most of your clothes for you.
So why did you decide to make the large size less expensive than the medium size?
Well, I don't know.
So, your name is great, excellent work. So you were planning to hire mechanical, electrical, and graphical engineers? So for the app design, are you guys planning to hire any software?
Yes, we're planning to hire someone for our app design, like coding and stuff like that.
Excellent.
You guys did a wonderful job and all of your presentation skills were excellent. I'm a business student, so I just thought you guys are all going to be wonderful business people someday. My question is, correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm not understanding like the concept, but the like robotic component of it would be inside the suitcase, correct? So do you think that would add any additional weight or like unnecessary space in the suitcase that might make it more difficult to travel and difficult to take things on planes?
No, because the suitcase itself would be light, and we were trying to make the robot light too.
So based on my understanding, there's a few different components of this project. So there's the suitcase, right? And then there's the robot that's inside the suitcase. And how does it, like how do you store, how big is the robot?
Well, the robot is pretty small. It's like it's about this tall, like that.
Okay.
About that tall, about that size.
So it's not taking up that much space in the suitcase. And then there's also the app, right? Okay. And how do all of these talk to each other? Is it like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi?
Bluetooth and Wi-Fi.
Okay. Nice. Thank you.
And is there any audience questions? We'll take a couple audience questions. Go ahead.
It's not a question, it's more of a comment. I think you guys did amazing, and I would love to utilize that, but my question was, what you guys answered it, was how are we gonna choose the destination and the weather to determine what clothes to pick? But I'm sure y'all will figure that out, and you already said it in the, like, you would choose, you know, upon the weather and stuff like that. So that's pretty awesome, and wait for you guys to make that up, so you want to pick your own clothes.
We'll go, you right there, man.
So as far as packing a suitcase, we all know when we travel, your suitcase has to be 75 pounds or lighter. How does the robot ensure that the suitcase will pass the weight requirement for the airplane so that we don't have an extra additional cost when using your product?
Because it, like I said earlier, you program on your phone like how long you're going to be traveling for, like 3 days or like 2 days, and you'll just pack like that many, how many clothes you'll need, like just.
But does it encompass a weight limit? Can you program in a certain amount of weight for the trip, depending on what trip you're going on?
Yes, you can.
Good answer. Good answer. I'll take one more audience question. Yes,
Well, I just wanted to comment that you picked a really interesting problem because it turns out that robots are terrible at folding clothes. So when you solve that problem, you'll be making great advances in robot AI.
All right, let's give,
All right. Next group.
all right, next group.